The application will ask you for a few questions, just answer them and you're pretty much good to go. But what this application really does is pretty much help you with any math question or any question at all as it relates to your homework or whatever the case is. If you're in school, high school, college, this application will help you get the answer for your questions, whether it be maths, English, Spanish, whatever the case is. So it's a very, very good application which you can use. You can either take a picture, it will access the camera settings and so forth, just allow access and you're pretty much good to go. You can either upload an image for an gallery as well. You can just tap on this option here and you can go in the gallery section and pretty much upload you can take a picture ahead of time and then upload it here. You can either do that instead of just taking a picture of whatever the case is. But either way works for you, it's up to you. So you can tap on this other option here to just type the question. If you don't want to take the picture or anything like that, you can just ask the AI the question and we'll pretty much give you the answer. So that's the other way which you can get the answer as well. So here in the profile section, you have nothing much, just your subscription and so forth. And also you can go in the history section to see all the questions that you have asked the AI and as well with the answers. So you can always check in the history section to see what you asked there and the answers and so forth. So to get the pro subscription for this application here, you can go to profile here, tap on the pro option at the top here, and as you can see here, pretty much what to be getting with the pro subscription. They do offer a 3-day free trial which you can use. As you can see here, the back to school option. I have the weekly subscription plan here, and you do get a 3 days free trial as I said before to test out the application. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And as well, you do have the calculator option here which you can use as well. So yeah, and not just the calculator, the converter as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very good application if you want to get your homework done. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys.